Alright guys, today I got 5 ultralight backpacking gifts that every hiker wants to see under his tree. And if you stick around at the end, I've got a 6th bonus item that you've never seen on this channel before. Alright guys, the first item on our list is the Sea to Summit collapsible mug. This is a great item for any backpacker to have. It can double as the lid for your cook pot, as well as it comes with the cool grip technology, so when you're holding your hot cup of coffee or warm cup of tea, you won't burn your hands. This is a 16-ounce mug. It has measurements on the inside of it, so every backpacker could find this as a usable tool when they're in the backcountry. This item only weighs 2.43 ounces and only costs $16.95. Alright guys, the second item on our list is the Nite Ize Nu25. This is a 400 lumen ultralight headlamp. It comes with a USB-C charger. It has 5 different light modes. So 3 different levels of brightness. You can use 1 headlamp or 2, and it also has a red light mode that is perfect at night at camp so that you're not blinding your other backpackers. It has a versatility because you can turn this thing down when you're hiking to point at your feet, or you can keep it pointing straight so you can see straight ahead. So the paracord fits great on your head, and this thing weighs 1.66 ounces and only costs $36.95. It is the perfect backpacking gift for any hikers on your list. Alright guys, the third item on our list is the Flip Fuel. This is the perfect backpacker gift that keeps on giving. If you've ever been out there hiking, you've seen those abandoned canisters at trailheads and hostels, and you can just take one of those partially filled canisters, attach this guy, put your canister underneath, fill it right back up, and save you money. This thing comes in at 1.2 ounces, costs only $35, and every backpacker wants one of these or should have one of these in their kit. Alright guys, the fourth item on our list is the BRS 3000T Ultra Lightweight Titanium Stove. This is by far the lightest stove available on the market, and every ultralight backpacker should have this in their gear list. It comes in at 0.95, less than 1 ounce, and it only costs $17.95. So this is definitely a gift that you want to get for your ultralight hiker. Alright guys, the fifth item on our list is the Bogler Trowel. This guy right here is something that everybody needs to have in their kit. It has a serrated edge, makes it super easy to dig one of those backcountry poop holes that everybody has to dig when you're backpacking or hiking, and it has a nice comfortable end piece, a plastic end piece that keeps the trowel from digging into your hand. And also, most people don't know this, but that serrated edge can also be resharpened. All right, this comes in at 0.46 ounces. It is the lightest item on the list. It costs only $17.95. It also doubles as a way to eat your meals. No, don't do that. I don't think that's poop on there.
This is not okay. This needs to stop now.
But any backpacker would love to have this thing in their kit, and I highly recommend it. Alright guys, it is bonus time, and I've got a wonderful item for you guys to check out today. This is something I was able to use on my last backpacking trip, and it came in extremely handy. It is self-contained. It is the Frog Tog Extreme Light Rain Jacket. This not only is a rain jacket, but it also doubles as a windbreaker, and it will not wet out. You see that it comes completely in its own sack that is also the right hand pocket. It has an adjustable cord lock waist as well as an adjustable cord lock hood, and this is a fantastic piece of gear for anybody that wants an affordable rain jacket slash windbreaker on your list. This thing is a fantastic thing. It is very breathable as far as rain jackets goes because of its light weight. It weighs in at only 7.76 ounces and costs $59.95, and is often on sale for as low as $45. Like and subscribe. Happy holidays, everyone.